and Liam arrived at the secluded island resort, thrilled to begin their dream honeymoon. The brochure promised pristine beaches and candlelit dinners, but the reality was far from idyllic. The resort staff seemed distant, their smiles hollow, and the other guests whispered in hushed tones, always glancing nervously at the dense jungle surrounding the area. One night, while exploring the beach under a full moon, they stumbled upon a strange, crumbling altar adorned with wilted flowers and dark stains. A sudden rustling in the jungle made Emma freeze. "It's just the wind," Liam reassured her, though his voice wavered. Returning to their room, they found the door ajar. Inside, the once cozy suite was in disarray. Scrawled across the mirror in red was a chilling message: "Leave before the moon wanes." Their protests to the staff were met with eerie silence. That night, a piercing scream echoed through the resort. When they peeked out, they saw shadows flitting between the trees, accompanied by inhuman growls. By dawn, they discovered the resort abandoned, save for themselves. The final boat had vanished, and so had any means